Tired of your feet slipping around on your car pedals, especially when things get a little wet? This set of anti-skid aluminum alloy pedal covers for select Peugeot and Citroen models might just be the solution you've been looking for. The promise here is simple: enhance grip, boost safety, and add a touch of style to your interior, all without any complicated installation. The installation process is highlighted as a major selling point, and honestly, that's a huge relief for many of us. The product states you don't need any drilling or welding. You simply remove the original pedal cover and pop on the new aluminum alloy one. This makes it incredibly accessible, even for those who aren't mechanically inclined. It's a quick and easy upgrade that can make a noticeable difference. Now let's talk about performance. The core function of these pedal covers is to enhance friction. The textured aluminum alloy surface is designed to provide a superior anti-slip effect. This is crucial for safe driving, especially in unpredictable weather conditions. Imagine braking suddenly or accelerating. Having that secure footing can prevent your foot from sliding off the pedal, giving you more control and confidence behind the wheel. The product also mentions they provide effective support, preventing slips due to moisture, which is a common issue. Beyond the practical safety benefits, there's also an aesthetic appeal. These pedal covers are designed to beautify your car's interior, making it look more stylish and cool. It's a small detail, but for car enthusiasts, these little touches can really elevate the overall feel of the cabin. It's like giving your car a subtle but effective makeover. It's important to note that these are designed for specific Peugeot and Citroen models, including the 207, 301, 307, 208, 2008, 308, 408, and Citroen C3, C4, DS3, 46, DS3, DS4, and DS6. So, before you hit that buy button, double-checking your vehicle model and the pedal size is absolutely essential to ensure a perfect fit. Overall, these anti-skid pedal covers seem like a smart and straightforward upgrade. They address a practical safety concern with a functional design and add a touch of sporty style to your car's interior. If you're looking for an easy way to improve your driving experience and the look of your Peugeot or Citroen, these are definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.